Imagine a world where factories hum with seamless coordination, where machines and humans work hand in hand to revolutionize production. That world is here, and it's being powered by the explosive growth of collaborative manufacturing solutions. But here's where it gets controversial. While the market is projected to skyrocket from $3.7 billion in 2024 to $18.3 billion by 2034, not everyone agrees on how this transformation will unfold. Are we witnessing a golden age of automation, or are we sidelining human expertise in the process? Let's dive into the numbers, the innovations, and the debates shaping this $18 billion future. According to Insight Analytic Private Limited, the collaborative manufacturing solutions market is being fueled by a perfect storm. The rise of AI-driven systems, the push for predictive maintenance, and the urgent need for smarter, faster production. Think of it as the Industrial Revolution 2.0, except this time the stars of the show are collaborative robots, cobots, industrial IoT platforms, and digital twins that mirror real-world operations in virtual space. These tools don't just automate tasks, they connect them. From cloud-based dashboards to real-time data sharing, manufacturers are now building ecosystems where every part of the supply chain talks to every other part, slashing delays and boosting transparency. And this is the part most people miss. The real magic lies in how these technologies work together. Take predictive maintenance, for instance. Instead of waiting for a machine to break down, sensors and AI algorithms analyze performance data in real time, flagging issues before they become disasters. This isn't just about saving money. It's about preventing production halts that can cost companies millions. Yet, here's a question for you. Should we trust machines to make life or death decisions in safety-critical industries like aerospace or healthcare? The answer might depend on who you ask. The market's rapid growth is no accident. Manufacturers across sectors, automotive, electronics, even medical devices, are racing to adopt Industry 4.0 frameworks. Why? Because automation isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a lifeline. With labor shortages tightening in industries like welding and logistics, cobots are stepping in to fill the gaps. These robots don't replace workers, they augment them, handling repetitive or dangerous tasks while humans focus on creativity and problem-solving. But here's the catch. Deploying these systems requires massive upfront investment. For small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, the cost of cobots, integration, and skilled technicians can feel like a mountain to climb. Are we creating a two-tiered manufacturing world where only big players thrive? Geography plays a surprising role, too. North America is leading the charge, driven by strict safety regulations and sky-high labor costs. Companies there are using collaborative tech to meet compliance while optimizing efficiency. Meanwhile, the Asia-Pacific region is surging forward, thanks to government-backed sustainability initiatives and a hunger for global competitiveness. But what happens when these regions clash? Will cost-driven automation in Asia-Pacific disrupt North American markets, or will innovation here stay ahead of the curve? The list of key players reads like a who's who of industrial titans. ABB, Siemens, Intel, and even newcomers like KUKA Robotics are all vying for dominance. Recent partnerships, like ABB's collaboration with Sage Geosystems to develop geothermal-powered energy systems, hint at how these technologies are expanding beyond traditional manufacturing. Intel's AI-powered servers and smart PC interfaces further blur the line between factory floor and digital infrastructure. But here's a thought. Are these partnerships genuine collaborations, or are they just marketing ploys to grab market share? The answer might lie in the long game. So what's next for this market? The segmentation is as detailed as the technologies themselves, from AI-based solutions to enterprise collaboration software. Every component is a piece of a larger puzzle, and as the demand for agility grows, so does the need for skilled professionals who can bridge the gap between human intuition and machine logic. The question is, can we train enough experts fast enough to keep up with this revolution? Or will the very technologies designed to simplify work end up complicating it for those left behind? At the end of the day, the collaborative manufacturing revolution is more than numbers. It's a cultural shift. Will we embrace it as a tool for progress, or will we resist it out of fear of the unknown? The answer, as always, lies in the hands of those who dare to ask the hard questions. What's your take? Share your thoughts below. Agree, disagree, or suggest your own twist on this industrial evolution.